Hi, I'm going to show you how to label your 2-pot plate with a label making machine and label paper. First, you have to open the back. This is a label making machine, and this is a label paper label maker. From the back of the label making machine, you have to insert your paper label maker properly and close it properly, then switch it on. As I'm going to use a 3/4 paper label, so on your screen you have to make sure it's 3/4 label to be, in order to be sure it is a 3/4 printing paper. So if not, you have to set your screen, your printing machine screen, to 3/4, as you can see here. So make sure the machine is automatic, D1, D2, then print. Peel from the back and make sure you place it in the middle.